Sorry, whoever's behind me. Sorry, miss. How could I not see you there? Hello, baby dog. Thanks, little dingo. See ya. Gave her a box to play with. One's in timeout, so he's in the gulag. You be gentle with him, Lily. Angel. I know, Cody. Go play. You can go play. You can go run. They're a bit crazy for you to run around with, aren't they? Good baby dog. Good Cody. So he's got sore legs, that's the only thing you've got to watch for. Good Cody, gentle. Very good. Cody, leave him please. Thank you, Neptune, that was very good playing. Very good. Good, go and play with the other dogs. Very good. Yeah. Mr. Fox, you're in the gulag. Pretty much that sort of reason. That was a fair steal. Good girls. Watch those tails there, Lulu. She's trying to play with you. Thank you, Cody. You're having your playing time as well. You really got to watch. Make sure none of them put their head across the shoulders or the back of the neck. No jumping up on the back of the other dogs. Yeah, I know you're annoying. No, you can show. I'm glad that you're showing everyone else how annoying you are. Yeah. So Cody's just learning. I know you are just learning. You're annoying. You're a good girl. You're learning, I know. I don't know whether that's a very good one. Why don't you go and try to play with Banjo or Jess? Yeah, play with the little dog. Play with that one. Why don't you sit down or lay down? That's a heaps better option. You're being good. You're good girls and sharing. An embankment that we built in the last couple of weeks. Where we live. Well, it's a bit hazy today. Puppy bed. Annoying puppy. Annoying puppy. Annoying puppy. No idea why they were going to shoot you. None. Was it because you had white socks for paws? Was it? Are you sitting? Or lay down or sit down? Thanks, Angel. Don't bite him in the face. No. You haven't done one thing. Well, I'm aware. You haven't done one thing. Did you sit down? Oi, oi! Sit down or lay down. I know. The reason I asked you to do that is so another dog doesn't get tangled up like it did. Well, you can keep... You let me know when you're finished. I know, Cody. Don't worry about him. You can talk. You can talk. You're not barking at me. That's barking at me. Mom, Dad. I want to do this. Cody, gentle, very good. Good play with the little one. I know, you did good. That was the little one. Angel. Thank you. Good boy, Phoenix. Now he's careful, Angel. Angel! That's exactly what I was talking about. Good boy, Phoenix. Angel, come here. Come here to sit to here. Thank you. Good come. So first of all, she gets a good come, but now she goes inside. You go to Wilson. Get in there, because I said no biting on the face. Good boy, Phoenix. I know, I seen her bite you. Okay, go play. Go play. Phoenix, you ready? Get it. Go play. Find it. Careful, Cody. Your next one is going to get in trouble. Good boy, Phoenix. Good boys and girls. Very good. Good boys and girls. Thank you, Lily. Good girls and boys. Good Cody. Probably leave those two alone, hey? And then we let those two wrestle on their own for a little bit. You get butt scratch. That was some big noise, whatever you said then. You ran away totally. Isn't that what you want to do if you want to play with him? Here, try to play with him now. Play with him. Very good. Gentle. Cody, finished. Very good. Thank you, Neptune. Just knowing by he's going up into that area where he was before when he went away. When they bring blankets or sheets or clothes of mine out, we get piled on there and we make a big dog bed. Like that one. Good lay down. Thanks. You're doing some gardening over there, Mr. Simba? Good gardening? You can, good boy, go play. You can garden. I know, Mr. Fox. Looks like you're having fun. Leave that one alone, Cody. He's a bad influence. Righto. Leave the snakes and lizards and stuff and the birds alone. Go play. Go play. I know. You know what that means, don't you? You just got to have an ability to be able to tune out like all you parents only too well know how to do. Isn't that right, baby dog? Just a tractor down the road. I know. Keep this under 10 minutes. Thank you. Sitting. Very good. Thanks for the backup. Sitting. Thank you, Cody. Here, Cody. Okay, that's my hand. Wow, that was like a spring. Cody, gentle. Leave it, Lulu. Leave it, Cody. Thank you. Good girl. Go play. You can go. Good, Cody. Ow, ow, ow. You've got huge paws. Stop doing that. Very good. Good girl. Good, Cody. You keep playing. Very good. Now, Cody, stop, sit, wait. Oh, very good, sitting and waiting. Can you lay down? No, we're friends, I know. That's control. I want something. Lay down, please. Just there. Stay. Lay down. Very good. Oh, that's upside down. That's a bit too far. That's on your side. That's not quite laying down, but that's okay. That's better than upside down. Good, lay down. Can you sit? Wait. That's why I got... Stop. So she's just pawing with her paws on my feet. And these are the same size as my feet, but they've got... Yeah, that's my point. You need to settle, because it hurts me. I'm not a ball of muscle like your little brothers and sisters. Is being good? Righto, good girl.